see if it starts. Ready? All right. There you go. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Tiago here. Early in the morning, truck won't start. I'm thinking is the relay on the glow plugs again. So let's see. Let me show you guys what the truck is doing. It's just cranking and does not start. All right, so we go under the hood and we can get, let me shut this off. All right. We got a 3/4 wrench, and we'll go under here, and where we have those 2 studs right there, we're gonna gap them or jump them for like about 20 seconds. Because that's the glow plug, that's the relay that turns on the glow plug. So I'm thinking this is the problem. You can use a cable, a thick cable, but we're using just this because it's a little bit easier to reach. All right, that's enough. Let's see if it starts. Let's see if it starts. Ready? All right. There you go. Sorry for the shakes. When you turn the key and you don't see that light on, most likely is your glow plug relay. Get one of these wrenches. 3/4 is fine because then it's enough space for you to gap it. And then you put it there, you gap it, you just hold it for about like 20 seconds. Just because the reason why I say 20 seconds is because get you enough time for you to unplug it, because usually when you're in here the glow plug will cycle and then you start right away. When you're there for like 20 seconds, you still gotta either shut the hood and come around, and so there's a few seconds there and the glow plug can get a little bit cold. So yeah, quick tip, you know, if your truck doesn't start, you're in the middle of somewhere, obviously if you have this type of diesel truck. This one is a 96 GMC Sierra. Yeah, that's it guys. Have a good one. I'll see you next time. 6.5 glow plug relay issues, and if you can't turn the truck on, can't start, just do that and you'll be on your way. As you can see, the truck is on. Have a good one guys. Comment, subscribe, do all the good things. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.